Okay. Starting on internets. Future fuel. Looks like it's gonna be right here, dude. Looks like about 4 o'clock in the morning. Looks like it's gonna happen. I don't know I'm gonna be up on that, but if I was long enough, that is a worse. Actually, that is a worse. Let me loop it. That might be thunderstorms right here, so we probably will get hit real hard. 21 mile east. Right here. But the lightning still showing up, so a lot of electricity in these storms. There's a lot of electricity. And electricity still. Then more electricity. Then more. Then more. Then more. Then more. And more. Down to Mexico. That's Mexico's right here. Why are all the flags I have right down today? And all the guys are scared because they know, because this one might hit us because that's cell, so. But too dirty on video. Tell me we just got light rain on the weather channel right now, but they said thunderstorms on the PC. Hold on, let me go check my email. I just play Battle for Bad Company. I just got finished because I got something to do. Look at the web channel. Looks like. Let me go check my email. Looks like a sail right here. Looks like it's in my area, so that's gotta be a storm. Supposed to get more tonight, which is 4 in the morning, which is 11, which is way beyond the 10th of May. And that's it. I got a comment. That is from the Storm Path, Storm Treg. Jesus Christ. That's the most coastal lightning strike I've ever seen. That's exactly what that just said. Junk mail. That's it. Then we're supposed to get more thunderstorms on Tuesday. But guess what? And guess what? Guess what? And Tuesday, there's like a field trip. There's like a field trip. Cause right now, look down here, thunderstorms in the red, tornadoes in the yellow, that's needle. Looked up there, it might be severe right now, it looks like it's not because these storms are too cold. Fire warning is issued for our area. For fire warnings, and when I watch something aspire to later on today, go to my area, which is still 100% chance of staying away, which is 100% will not go anywhere. All that is gotta be thundering. So what we go back to my channel and what we go in the front door, maybe in the window, cause let me go out the window. Like sometimes. Let me sit down and look out here. Looks like it's just heavyweight, maybe. What do you guys say to yourself? He's born. Bubblegum. I don't believe this is happening. We got more on Tuesday. What's that? What the heck you doing? Oh, I'm gonna be okay. See? You out of my way, man. Oh, right there. Looks like it's died out. We might be too far right now, so doesn't matter. I gotta go right here and just go. I'll record more about 3 or 4 in the morning if I have a chance. Goodbye. I wanna watch some cartoon videos. I'm bored. So stay tuned for more updates.